everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I'm so excited. I got some new paints in. These are by Kuretake. They are from Japan. And as you can see, I did my swatching. Now with watercolor, you want to do a swatching because how it looks here in the pan is not the same as how it's going to look here on your paper. So it's always a good idea, and a lot of the paints do give you a swatching board, or in this case they gave you a swatching card and the lid. Both can be used, and that way you know what the color is going to look like when it's dry. And you can also, you know, put different values of the paint on your swatch so you can see all the different tones you can get from that one paint. And that's a really handy thing to have when you're going to work with the colors, is to have that swatching card handy so you can say, oh, I want to try this color. And to try out the new paints, we're just going to play. This is my meet-in paper. It's my 10 by 17, 100% cotton. And I put tape at both ends so that I know that the section where I'm going to paint I'll be able to put into a 9 by 7 frame. So I've got my Princeton brushes ready, and we're just gonna play with some loose flowers with my new paints so I can see what I like about all my new things. So we're gonna get some paints activated here. We're gonna spray them down, get them, oh, you know, it would be helpful if you took the cover. That didn't work. Take the cover off the top of the paints before you try and spray them. There we go. Yeah. Something didn't look right there. Okay, get a little water in there, get them activated, and we are ready to just try something. Maybe what I'll do is clean up some of my palette. Now, since from this point on it took me about an hour to do all these flowers, I'm going to speed this up and play some music for you, and hope you enjoy watching me create some fun flowers.
came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you. Next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, howling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep under There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair, held underwater, fighting for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors around. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feels bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
Okay, I think we're gonna call it done. That was fun. I'm loving some of these new colors. Getting to know which ones bleed really well, which ones bleed sort of not so well. But it's always fun to play with new colors and just see what you can get. All right, hang in there for final results. Okay, we have the final results. Now I've trimmed the top and bottom so that this is in a 9x7 now. I did off camera on this one darken up that center, you know, the darker center colors, just because they weren't really standing out enough for me. I love these tones, they're so beautiful. What I found is I really wasn't putting enough water a lot of the time, so I was getting, you know, the full intensity of the color right off the bat instead of working from, you know, a lighter tone up. But that's just getting used to something new. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please follow along the links in the description box. Before me, you should have seen Bill Roberson of Roberson Art, and after me is Billy of BCC Arts Studios. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.
Little tonight. Let's get